Excellency Mr. Gurban Guli, Bardi Muhammadov, President of Turkmenistan, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to express our gratitude for the very warm reception and generous hospitality extended to us. It is indeed a matter of immense pleasure for me to be in this beautiful city of Ashgabat. Mr. President, your historic visit to Pakistan in 2011 paved the way for promoting cooperation between the two brotherly countries. Such high-level visits are of great value in strengthening our friendship and cooperation. Turkmenistan and Pakistan share common cultural and religious values which are deep-rooted in history. We greatly admire our brotherly relations with your country. These bonds of friendship facilitate cooperation in economy, trade, energy, and communications